Hi guys, John here. It's really cold right now. It's at least 10 degrees Celsius and the wind is really not helping it very much. Okay, so I'm just finished cutting about 7 grasses today. And I noticed I have a problem with one of my lawnmowers. This one right here, the 8243AE, the 1987 model. And look how much clippings I picked up on the underneath the lawnmower. Pretty cool. Alrighty, what's the problem? Well, we're going to tilt it and show it to you. Just to make sure that the fuel valve is closed. Yeah, it's closed. Okay. Yeah. There's a big gaping hole, so it's like a redneck exhaust. So, the muffler's kaput. Yeah, there's a big hole and it's shaking. Oh well. So, I'm going to show you how to take it out and replace it. First step is to remove the blade of this model. So, to get to this bolt, you take a 5/16 wrench and take it out. So I'm going to take it out for you guys. So I'm going to use my 10401C as a tripod, and we're going to take it out. Always wear gloves when you're dealing with sharp objects like a lawnmower blade. And sometimes if it sticks for so many years, use like WD-40 to take it out. Okay. Perfect. There. And this slowly comes off. I think I just lost all my bolts. And you do it like so. Alright, and after a few seconds, the bolt comes out. Alright, here's the bolts. Put it over here. The 21-inch mulch blade. And the blade adapter. Oh yeah. No wonder it wouldn't stick. I lost all my bolts because of the excess vibration that the lawnmower caused. Oh crap. No matter, so we're going to go get a spare one and we're going to mount it. So basically here's your basic F-engine underdeck muffler. So what you have to do to clean it, you just scrape it with a like a paint scraper, like that, and you just generally scrape it like that just to get all the carbon out so it'll run better. Unfortunately, since this one is broken, I'm not going to bother repair it. Alright, so now time to get the new muffler. I wasn't been able to pull out the muffler out of the spare engine because it was seized inside, so I just bought one on eBay. Okay, so it's been a week and I got it. Sweet. I think it needs cleaning before I reinstall this pig. So, let me clean it and get back to you. Well, after finally cleaning it with the paint scraper, it's finally clean for installation. Well, as best as I can get to it. See, is this going to fit? This comes out of a 1978 Lawnboy R268. It's a perfect fit. Sweet. So now the dealer was generous enough to give me the bolts because I have no bolts. And time for reassembly. Now to unscrew the bolts, you need your ratchet set, 13mm, and tighten the 3 bolts here. Toit is a toiga. Okay, so now let's make sure it's all tightened. Okay, so now to retighten it. This is tight. This one. Awesome. Wow, perfect fit. Sweet. Now, so I'll come to this now. So take your blade adapter, put it right here, and your blade, make sure that the 2 holes are in those sockets. And like so. Now take your bolt, clean side goes into this bolt, so you unscrew it with your hand. And take your 15/16 wrench and you just tighten it. Okay, so now I'm going to tighten it. Make sure you always wear gloves, because handling a lawnmower blade is very sharp and you want to hurt yourself. And then we're going to start it and see how well this thing actually works. So I guess a lot of F engines are interchangeable with the other stuff. That's what I like about Lawnboy. The old ones, the parts are interchangeable. The Lawnboy FE and E series, the E series being the Duraforce, use exactly the same carburetor. That's pretty handy dandy. Okay, usually I tighten like I tighten very good. So I'll get you back when it's fully tightened. There we go. Much better. Tilt it. Okay, now let's put it on the cement, because cement makes the lawnmower start easier. Okay, turn the fuel valve on. Fuel valve is open. Yeah, it's got some gas in here. Okay, since this has no primer, used to be an electric starter, well, here used to be the key. We're going to put it on choke and pull away. Back to life. And that's how you change your muffler on a Lawnboy F-Series motor. Peace, guys.